everyone, I'm Mirela Ciobanu with The Papers, and I'm about to learn from Livia Benisty, Chief Business Officer at Banking Circle. How has fintech evolved?
Merchants are really looking for more digital solutions. They're moving increasingly online, and they are looking for one place to go to achieve all of that. So we are seeing a shift where people's primary financial relationship is not necessarily only with a bank, a traditional bank, and their one bank account. It could be through their acquirer or through their other contacts that they have within their supply chain or their daily course of doing business. So fintechs are faced with having to offer a wider array of services. And our research has shown that those fintechs we work with are seeing requests for value-added services, such as maybe even marketing assistance, but certainly perhaps, for example, the ability to pay VAT or tax directly, maybe regulatory assistance, as well as a broader array of products such as requests to pay or buy now, pay later, and additional services along those lines as well.
Are you seeing fintechs shift their ambitions in terms of the services they offer? For example, moving more into banking services as if they were a bank?
Yeah, I do. I really think that people are looking for that, merchants are looking for that primary relationship with more fintechs and PSPs and acquirers, which traditionally would have sat at the bank. So those PSPs and acquirers, or fintechs more broadly, need to be able to offer a broader array of services so they look more like a bank and feel more like the primary bank account for their clients. It's a difficult one to do, and you need to build a wider range of products, and yet you have the financial constraints and perhaps the liquidity constraints of the current environment, but that's the challenge that they're facing, certainly.
So you mentioned some challenges here. Where does Banking Circle think fintechs can achieve efficiencies to tackle some of the issues around the development and administrative costs?
So Banking Circle is working to really target that exact problem and to help fintechs with these efficiencies. So by partnering with an external partner and an expert in the field like Banking Circle, which is a fully licensed credit institution, a full bank, we can enable them to offer the kinds of services that their customers are requiring of them, and they can do so through a single API or through the client portal. So we can be that one-stop shop for them to enable them to offer their clients the services that they're asking for.
Yeah, can you give us more details about this one-stop shop? So how is Banking Circle working with fintechs to deliver these services?
So we're continuing to innovate on our platform to provide the products that we believe our customers need and that they're asking us for. And obviously we already have a platform full of the products that we believe will make them most successful. At the moment, things we can focus on are around, for example, real-time payments in euro and in sterling. We've gone live on faster payments in the UK, and we have instant clearing in euros. Our agency banking product will allow fintechs indirect access to SEPA credit using their own bit code. So they will show up as the financial institution, again getting them closer to this relationship of being the primary financial institution with which their clients bank. In addition to that, we're looking at our FX capabilities, multi-currency FX with a request for quote available 24/7. And finally, we offer deposit accounts to allow our clients to better manage their counterparty risk exposure and their cash management practices.